payment for the fees presented in person by Maximate. The DPWH Davao City 2 District Engineering Office is holding its private conference today, August 12, 2025 at exactly 10 a.m. at DPWH Davao City 2 DEO Conference Room, Tirol Street, Tugbok District, Davao City, through video conferencing or website via official social media platform of this office, which shall be open to prospective bidders. Bid proposals may be submitted to authorized representative from the Bank Secretariat Office and should present 2 valid identification cards issued by the company they are representing in any government institution. Bids may be duly received by the Bank Secretariat through, number 1, manual submission at the office on or before August 26, 2025 at 10 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable form in the amount stated in the ITB Clause 14. Bid opening shall be on August 26 until 10 a.m. at the given address below and or via official social media of the office. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidders, representatives who choose to attend the activity. The DPWH Davao City 2nd District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any and all of the bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not award the contract at any time prior to the contract award in accordance with the new NGPA of the RA 12009 without thereby incurring a liability to affected bidders or bidders. For further information, please refer to Honorable E. Amirol, Engineer 3, Head of Procurement Unit, Department of Public Works and Highways, Davao City 2 District Engineering Office, Tirol Street, Tugbok, Davao City, with telephone number 2930551 or email at upwh_tugbok@yahoo.com. Signed, Rinaldo A. Amores, Chief Construction Section, BAC Vice Chairperson, and noted by Edward R. Sevilla, District Engineer. That's all, Mr. Vice Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Bacco. So we have already presented and completed our pre-bid conference for our 2 civil works projects as well as our 2 goods and services. We have we have a viewer in our official website. So that's very nice. So all present here. Thank you for coming and God save everyone. Uh, and this bidding conference is officially adjourned at exactly 10:40 in the morning.